Welcome to Coding Your Way to Success, how to use AI in software development. Today we're diving deep into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the software development landscape. If you're a developer, a student, or just curious about the future of tech, this video is for you. We'll explore the practical applications of AI in coding, from generating code to debugging, optimizing, and even testing. By the end of this video, you'll understand how AI can become your most powerful ally in building better software, faster. Let's get started and unlock your coding superpower. Software development has come a long way. From punch cards to sophisticated IDEs, our tools have constantly evolved. Now we're at the cusp of another major transformation with the rise of artificial intelligence. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful set of technologies that can significantly enhance every stage of the software development lifecycle. It's about working smarter, not harder. First up, let's talk about AI for code generation. This is perhaps one of the most exciting and immediate applications of AI in development. Imagine having an intelligent assistant that can write code snippets for you, complete your functions, or even generate entire classes based on your descriptions. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. AI-powered code assistants are tools that leverage machine learning models trained on vast amounts of code. They can understand context, predict what you're trying to achieve, and suggest relevant code. Think of them as super smart autocomplete features on steroids, but with a deeper understanding of programming logic and syntax. The benefits are immense. These tools excel at generating boilerplate code, handling repetitive tasks, and even translating natural language descriptions into executable code. For example, you could type a comment like "create a function" to sort an array of integers, and the AI could generate the entire function for you. This frees up developers to focus on higher-level problem-solving and complex logic, significantly boosting productivity and reducing development time. Next, let's explore how AI is transforming debugging and error detection. Every developer knows the frustration of spending hours hunting down a single bug. AI offers a powerful solution by identifying potential issues long before they become major problems, or pinpointing the root cause much faster. AI systems can analyze your code for common patterns associated with bugs, predict potential errors, and even suggest fixes. They go beyond simple syntax checking. They can understand the logical flow of your application, identify anti-patterns, and detect subtle issues that might otherwise slip through the cracks. This significantly reduces the time and effort spent on debugging. Tools incorporating AI-assisted debugging often integrate directly into your IDE, providing real-time feedback. They might flag suspicious code segments, offer explanations for potential errors, and even suggest alternative implementations. This proactive approach means fewer bugs make it into production, leading to more robust and reliable software. Beyond just making code work, AI is also proving invaluable in making code better. This brings us to code optimization and refactoring. Writing clean, efficient, and maintainable code is crucial for long-term project success, and AI can be a powerful assistant in this area. AI can analyze your codebase for performance bottlenecks, identify areas for improvement, and suggest more efficient algorithms or data structures. It can also help with code readability by recommending refactoring opportunities, like extracting methods, simplifying complex expressions, or standardizing naming conventions. The goal is to make your code faster, more efficient, and easier for humans to understand and maintain. Automated refactoring suggestions from AI tools can save countless hours. Instead of manually sifting through thousands of lines of code to find optimization opportunities, AI can flag them instantly. This means your software isn't just functional, it's high-performing and easily maintainable, extending its lifespan and reducing technical debt. No software is complete without rigorous testing, and AI is now playing a significant role in quality assurance. From generating test cases to enhancing test coverage, AI is making the testing phase more efficient and effective. AI can analyze your application's logic and user interaction patterns to automatically generate comprehensive test cases. This includes unit tests, integration tests, and even end-to-end tests. It can identify edge cases that human testers might miss, ensuring broader test coverage and reducing the likelihood of production bugs. By automating test case generation and execution, AI drastically enhances testing efficiency. It allows development teams to conduct more thorough tests in less time, enabling faster release cycles and higher confidence in the software's quality. This is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in today's fast-paced market. While AI brings incredible benefits to software development, it's important to acknowledge its challenges and limitations. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet, and understanding its constraints is crucial for effective integration. Current AI tools, while impressive, aren't perfect. They might generate incorrect code, misinterpret complex requirements, or struggle with highly novel problems. Their output often requires human review and refinement. Also, there are ethical considerations, such as bias in training data leading to biased code, or the risk of intellectual property leakage if not managed carefully. This brings us to a critical point. The human element remains essential. AI is a co-pilot, not an autopilot. Developers are still needed to provide the vision, design the architecture, interpret complex requirements, validate AI-generated code, and ultimately, ensure the software meets user needs and business goals. AI enhances human creativity and productivity. It doesn't replace it. In conclusion, AI is undeniably transforming software development, offering powerful new capabilities across the entire lifecycle. We've seen how AI assists in code generation, debugging, optimization, and testing. It helps us write code faster, catch bugs earlier, improve performance, and ensure higher quality. It's about empowering developers to be more efficient, innovative, and focused on solving complex challenges. The future of AI in coding is incredibly promising. We can expect even smarter, more intuitive tools, deeper integration into development workflows, and perhaps entirely new paradigms for building software. As AI continues to evolve, the synergy between human developers and intelligent machines will only grow stronger, leading to unprecedented levels of innovation and efficiency. The key is to embrace these advancements and learn how to leverage them effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy coding with AI.